Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to use TradingView on your phone. There is website for it, but in case you want to use your phone to analyze the charts, you can go to Play Store, then search for TradingView. TradingView. Then you install it. Mine is already installed. You can see mine is already installed. Then what do? Then after installation, you open the app, you open it. If you open it, for you as a beginner, let's say you've not registered with them, or maybe you've not logged into your account, you will see an interface for you to log in. Then what do? You log in, then follow the process and everything. Then after you've logged in, to bring you to an interface like this. Now if you notice, my phone is slanted, right? You can see some things like sorry you can see some things like you can see, if you check below here, you can see all these things, right? You can see watch list, charts, explore, ideas, and the menu. Now the thing is, you're not going to use everything here, so I'll just talk about the things you need to use, so you don't have to understand everything. Now this is the watch list, right? What you should do is you go to your watch list. Now these are the pairs I mostly trade. Now for you, you may see a lot of pairs here, or maybe few of them. So if you want to edit them, this is what you should do. Click on, if you want to add more, click on the plus sign. This plus sign you're seeing here, this plus sign, click on the plus sign, click plus. Then you search for the ticker or the pair or the name of the pair. Now for me, let's say XAUSD, right? I'll then click on the plus sign. I'll click plus, and that's it. You've added a pair to your watch list. You can see it's already added. Now if you want to remove pairs, what do? You click on the three dot sign you're seeing here. Click on it, just click on it, then click on edit. You see, if you want to remove it, click on the cancel sign, this X sign, just click on it. You see, click on it. I want to remove this XAUSD, the last one. I'll just click on it, and if I want to rearrange them, I can just drag this box here, this equal sign. I'll just drag it up and down, or drag it, and that's it. That's for the pairs. These are the pairs you want to trade. Now if you want to analyze a particular pair, right? If you want to analyze a particular pair, what do? You long press. Let's say for XAUSD, I want to analyze it. I'll long press. I'll long press on it, and then I'll click on open charts. You can see open charts here. I'll click on open chart, and it will take me to the charts. Now this is the chart for XAUSD. If I want to, let's say I want to analyze, right? If I want to analyze, so now I'm on the chart. If I want to switch between the pairs or the currencies, the pairs I want to trade, I can just scroll here. You are seeing, you can see this XAUSD. I can scroll and it will take me to the next pair. You can see, if I scroll, if I'm scrolling, if I hold on to it and I'm scrolling, it will just be taking me to the different pairs I have. Let me switch to, let's say, BTC. You can see, if I get to BTC, I will release it and it will take me to BTC. If I want to go to a new pair, I'll just scroll. I'll hold on to it and be scrolling. Let me see, let's say I want to go to USDJPY. I'll just go to USDJPY. It will take me to USDJPY. So now that's it. If you're on the screen, right, instead of you going back to watch list all the time, you can switch on the screen here, and just switch on the screen here. And now let's say I want to do my top down analysis. Instead of me using it like this, I want to use it in a slanted mode, so that I can see the screen in a wide way. I'll just turn my screen. I'll turn on my auto rotate. I'll then slant my screen in the landscape mode. You can see now, if I zoom in, if I pinch and zoom in, it will zoom, If I pinch and zoom out, it will zoom out. You can see that's it. On the screen, on the white screen, you can zoom in and you can what, and you can zoom out. And if you want to, let's say, zoom in, let's say let's say you want to increase the length of these things, you can click on this and scroll up or down. Let me show you how it works. Let's say I hold this, you see it will zoom. If I come down, it will bring me down. If I take it up, it will zoom out. You can see it will zoom in, zoom out. You can see also for the same, if you want to like zoom in and zoom out, and you don't want to like pinch on the screen and zoom in and zoom out, you can tap on this date you are seeing. If you tap on it and take it and slide it, it will zoom. If you tap on it and slide it to zoom out. So that's that for the zooming in and the zooming out. You can see, very simple. And now for the tools, if you want to use the tools, you can see as I switch to the landscape mode, these sections you are seeing now are now different. They are still the same thing, but when you were in the portrait mode, you couldn't see everything clearly. But now since we are in the landscape mode, everything is showing clearly. You can see all these things, but you'll not be using all of them. So this one you are seeing is the tools. If you click on it, it will bring you the option for all the tools. You can see these are the tools, all the tools. These are all the tools. Now you can see some are already start. I favorite, like I had them to my favorites, so they already start. For you, let me show you my tools bar. You can see showed on charts. You can see this is my tools bar. I can move it about, holding this button here, holding this here. I can move it about. You can see I can move it the way I want. Now if I go back to the portrait mode, some of the tools will be hidden. You can see some of the tools will be hidden. Then if I want to show them, what do? I just click on these three buttons. I'll click on it and it will show me the hidden tools. You can see call out. So these are all the tools I added to my favorites. For you, you may not see like all of these. You have to add them by yourself. Let's say, let me remove one of these tools from the favorites, these things. Let me go back to the landscape mode. So if I remove a tool from the box, it will remove. Let's say I remove this trend line. I will hold on it. I'll tap and hold on to it. I'll then click on remove. You can see it's been removed from the tools bar. Now if I want to add it back, I'll just go back to the tools and then look for it. Trend line, you see the trend line, I'll just tap on it and hold on to it, and then what, add to favorite. You can see it's already showing here. It's already back on my tools. You can see it here. Now if I want to move that same tools, because I love it so much, if I want to move it to, let's say, from here you are seeing, from here to here or somewhere like around here, because I love it so much, I'll just I'll hold on to it and drag it. I'll tap on it and drag it to where I want it to be. You can see, very interesting and very straightforward. Now for time, if I want to change time, you can see the time here, 15 minutes. If I want to switch to 4-hour time frame, I'll just scroll on it, just like just like scrolling or something. I'll just scroll just like I did for the PS. You see, if I'll just scroll, hold on to it, I'll just hold and be scrolling just like someone scrolling. Let me switch to 4-hour time frame. So you can see I'm already on the 4-hour time frame. I can zoom in and can zoom out. So you can see it's very easy to use the TradingView app. And one thing, the more you use it, the more familiar you get with it. So if you want to like get familiar with the TradingView app, you can use it you should be using it very well, like constantly. And also there is websites for it. You can use their website, tradingview.com. You can go to their website, and you can also use their website if you want to analyze on the computer. And there is also software for the computer, so if you want to download it on your laptop. So it's just, that's how it is, very straightforward. And let's say for example I want to like take a trade, I want to buy these tools is what we call the long. You can see is the long position, and this one is what we call the short position. Long in the sense that is long mean buy, short mean sell. If I want to use the tools, I'll just click on it and drag this to where I want to use it. You can see this blue dot here. See, I'll just drag it to where I want, put it right, Now this thing is just for analyzing on the TradingView app. You can also trade directly from TradingView app, but you have to connect to your broker. But I don't like trading directly from TradingView app. I prefer I go to my MetaTrader. So for this one, I just use TradingView for analysis. I'll just use this. Now this one helps me calculate my risk to reward clearly. Let's say I want to target 1:3 RR. You can see it's already showing me on the screen. 1:3. You can see ratio risk to reward is what 3.02. That's what 1:3, meaning I'm risking $1 to get $3, depending on the lot size I'm using. If I'm using $100, then if I'm risking $100, it means I'm what targeting $300 depending on my lot size. So this app, these tools, is what we call the what is what we call the long position app tools, sorry, and is used for calculating my risk to reward. On TradingView is used to calculate. Now all the values I have here, you see these values I have, it will give me a value. These values, you see this red, my chart is so somewhat choppy because I have a lot of the tools on my screen. So all these, you see a value red for your what, for your stop loss. That's the one you input in your what, in your MetaTrader app as your stop loss. Then for the green one, you can see this green, it will give you the value for the green one. The green one is what, is your TP, that's your take profit. That's the value you input into what, into your MetaTrader app. This one is just to calculate your risk to reward ratio. That's what that's the essence of these tools. Now we have other tools like the box. Let's say if you want to mark out something, you can see the box here, see it here, this box you're seeing, the box, you see. Now the more you use it, and we also have the horizontal line tool. So just get familiar. There are so many tools here, but you don't have to use all of them. And this one is what we call the what do they even call it? I don't know, I've forgotten. Is it directional or something? I don't know. I just love to use it. So you can see, so the more you use the app, the more familiar you get with it. So, and that's that for the tools. If you want to use the tools, just go to the tools and you see all the tools here. Now you don't have to use all the tools. There are some you use, and it's not all of them that you're going to use. In fact, it's useless. Then now for the indicator, let's say you want to use indicators. This one is what for the indicators. Though I don't like using indicators, I don't use them. I think it's beginners that love to use indicators. I don't like to use them. So if you click on it, you can add the indicator you want. You can search. This is the search bar here. You can search for the indicator you want to use. Let's say you want to change from these candlesticks you are seeing. These are the candlesticks, right? Let's say you want to switch to a line chart. You click on this candle bar you are seeing. Click on it to bring. You can see candles, you can see line, you can see step lines. These are the ones I mostly use, but I prefer the candlestick. But for you, you may see it. You have to scroll down, just scroll, and you see it. Then if you want to, let's say you want to switch to line charts, just click on line charts. It will switch to a line chart. You can see to switch to a line chart. Now let's say I want to switch to step line. I'll click on step line to switch to a step line. Now if I want to switch back to my candlestick, I'll just go back and click on the candles. Now it will take me back to candles. Now let's say I want to edit the interface, the settings for everything on the screen, what I want to see and everything. What do? I just go click on the settings, this setting bar you are seeing here. I'll just click on it, click on the settings. I'll click on the settings to bring this out. Then I'll scroll down, then click on more settings to then bring me to a page like this. You can see. Then I'll then go through it, change the settings I don't like, then change to the ones I like. You can even change the color of the bars you are seeing on the screen. You can see some people use yellow and red, some people use black and white, but for me I prefer the red and green. You can edit anything on the screen from these settings here. Let's say I want to change the background of the screen. I'll just click on this one. Yeah, well, you can see the background. Then let's say I want to switch it to black. If I change to black, but now I prefer the white one. I'll just change it back to the white one, and that's that. Then I'll click on OK, and that's that. If you want to like edit the screen, the interface, everything, you can go to the settings and make all the settings you want. So guys, and that's that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your loved ones. See you in my next video, guys. Peace out.